You know, rural communities have really struggled. Loss of population is a big one. Scott County has bucked that trend, and I like to believe that a big component of that is the presence of this hospital here.
So our main goal is to be able to bring services to our community to where our community doesn't have to travel 4 hours for these services. And the MRI project was a huge part in that. We're able to get patients scheduled and scanned. They don't have to wait several days and then travel hours away to go get it.
I do like rural medicine, but sometimes the equipment might not be as modern as some of the larger facilities, but image quality is impeccable. When it comes down to it, there's no comparison between this facility and, say, somewhere in Denver, Colorado.
One of our referring orthopedic surgeons, after he saw these images, he wanted to start sending all his patients in the Southwest area to us because he said the images were phenomenal.
Browns has been really excellent to work with. They've been out here, they've stayed on top of it, they've stayed in touch with our staff, very responsive to service needs or questions. I can't imagine a better partnership with a vendor than the one that we have with Browns.